Hi, hello friends, welcome to Brighter API. In this tutorial, we are going to learn our next Hackerrank algorithm challenge of implementation section. The challenge name is Angry Professor. So friends, let's go to our Hackerrank account and let's crack this challenge. So friends, this is my Hackerrank account and we are into Angry Professor challenge. So let's understand the problem. So problem is saying that a district mathematics professor has class of n students. Frustrated with their lack of discipline, he decides to cancel if the fewer than k students are present when the class starts. Given the arrival time of each student and determine if the class is cancelled. Okay. So what they are inputting, the first time they are inputting that contains a t, the number of the test cases. So we need to print the number of the test cases of the answer. Okay. So each test case consists of a two line. Okay. The first line has two space separated integer and so n is a students in the class and the k is a cancellation if there whole. Okay. So what is the professor expect that how much students should be there? Okay. The total number of the input of the class when student is coming and the professor has decided some limit that if this much of the students will be in the class, then professor will not cancel or else it will cancel. And the second line, the contents is n space integer from a1 to an describing the arrival time of each student. So non-positive numbers are the arrival time of ai less than or equal to 0, which indicates the student arrived early on time. Okay, and the positive time is after they are starting the class. So what should be the output? Output should be, so for each test case we need to print yes or not. So what we will go to print that class is cancelled or not. So let's understand their sample input. So what it says that they are in the first line that they are the input. So they are inputting a two test cases. So the another two lines, the four is the number of the student they are inputting. Okay, and the 3 is there must be a 3 student should be there. Okay, so if we understand that 4 students, there is a 4 student arrival time -1, -3, 4 and 2. So minus is saying that before class started, all the students in the class. So professor is expected there must be a 3 student in the class, but as from the data there is not a 3 student. Okay, so the class is cancelled. So it is a printing of yes. Okay. The another test case is saying that there should be a 4 student and professor expect the only 2. So 0 is on time, -1 is before the time, 2 and 1 is after the time. But as professor expected 2 students in the class, so class is not a cancel. So they are printing a no. Okay. So which is a very simple is that. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to write a code for this. Okay. So what they have done there, they have taken t, which is the number of the test cases. So they are iterating till t. And k, n is the number of the student. K is the expected student must be there in the class. And the a means the arrival time of the student. If there that much student must be in the class. So if we are going to count that, we need to take integer count is equal to 0. Okay. Integer count is equal to 0. Now what we should do if a of I, okay, so this array is defining the number of students coming into the class is less than or equal to 0, then what we should do a count plus. Okay, that much is it. Okay, now after that we have the count variable. For each time we are iterating this for loop, outer for loop, that will be initializing with the 0 as well. So if count is greater than or equal to k, then what we should do, the class is not cancelled. Okay, the class is not a cancel, so we are printing a no. Okay, else the class is cancelled, so we are going to print a yes. It is as simple as that. Okay, so let's submit the code and let's run the code first. So guys, we have passed the initial test cases, so let's submit the code and check that we have passed all the test cases or not. So congratulations guys, we have completed this challenge, and it is saying that we have completed this challenge. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching my video, thank you for subscribing a Brighter API. Please do subscribe as well if you are not subscribed till now. Please press the bell icon so you will get a notification from there. Thank you guys, thank you for watching the Brighter API. Thank you for support. Do like, subscribe and visit brighterAPI.com. You can also like us on the Facebook and Twitter as well. Thank you guys, thank you so much.